My name is Markus Richter. I'm a quality engineer by Bosch Dresden, and today I had the opportunity to give a talk by the camLine Forum 2024. Yes, so first of all, it was a great opportunity to give this talk to other experts, and I hope that the audience can get the feeling about our supplier quality management software from camLine, and maybe they get inspired to use the same software and can learn something from Bosch Dresden. Bosch Dresden was a quite young fab and started in 2019, and already in this time we as Bosch Dresden start the cooperation with camLine, and so you can see that we have for quite few years now a good cooperation with camLine, and we got a great support over the all years. If we have any problem, issue, camLine was directly able to support us.